Okay, hey everyone. So we're going to go over the notes really quick. So we're going to go over graphing on the coordinate plane. So this is part of my graph of the coordinate plane. Okay, so we see here that this one is called my x-axis, right? And this one's called my y-axis. Okay, so what it says here, it says to give verbal descriptions to get to C. Okay, so all we have to do is think about these as two number lines. So this is my first number line that I need to look at, because if I think about it in the alphabet, right, since I'm left with the options X and Y, when we sing the alphabet, right, it says X, Y, then Z at the very end. So we have to think about what comes first. So it has to be the x-axis, because when we sing the alphabet, X comes first. So then here, I'm going to focus on my x-axis first. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then I'm going to focus on my y. So then it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my last one 6. Okay, and then this point right here, if you guys did not know already, but this is called the origin. Okay, so now it says down here, give a verbal description to get to point C. So what we need to do is we need to look at what's going on. So if I were to give my verbal description or write my sentence, because that's what it's asking for, I'm first gonna move, I always start at the origin, okay? So we're gonna write from the origin, we move 2 units, right? Because it's 1, 2 units to the, and we move to the right side. Then we're still not at point C, right? So I move 2 units to the right, and then now I need to move up, okay? So I need to move up 1, 2, 3, 4. So then move up 4 units, okay? And that's all we need to write for our verbal description. And then the next part, it says plot your point A at 5, 3. So what I want you guys to get into the habit of is writing X on the top and then Y on top of my coordinate pair, because this is a coordinate pair. Pair means two numbers together, so they belong together. Okay, so again, I start at 0, then I'm going to go all the way to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 up. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so again, this one's going to be my point A. And I want you guys to get into the habit of labeling your points. So this one's 5, 3. So I'm going to come around and check that you guys have this labeled along with your point. You labeled your graph, you wrote the origin, and you wrote the sentence along with writing this, okay?